Now we have started the unit number 3, output devices. Input and output devices. Now our topic is output devices. What is the definition of output devices? Output devices are used to get the result or information from the computer. The output devices are also physical equipment which translate the outcome of the computation and the related activity carried out in the CPU, so that these can be translated by the human. Output devices may adopt different shapes and style. The output may be in the form of type, printed, and visible. The purpose of the output device is to convert data or information expressed in electronic industries to human understand about forms such as printed reported. Name of output devices are monitor, printer, and plotter. First one is monitor. Monitor is an output device and a very important part of the computer system. It looks like a TV screen. It show the output which it gets from the CPU. The output on a monitor is called soft copy. It is called soft copy because it is a temporary copy. It is a device that displays text and graphics generated by a computer. Basic types of monitors. Basic types of monitor. There are following two types of monitors: CRT monitor, monitor, and LCD monitor. CRT abbreviation of cathode ray tube, and LCD abbreviation of liquid crystal display. CRT cathode ray tube is a vacuum tube that contains uh, one or more electronic guns. CRT monitor, which is similar to the television screen and also work in the same way. It is used a large vacuum tube called cathode ray tube. CRT. CRT is the technology used in the most older television and the computer display screen. A CRT works by the moving an electron. Next heading is LCD. A flat panel screen that uses the liquid crystal display, LCD technology, and connect to a computer. Laptop have a used to LCD screen. Almost exclusively display screen monitor is a desktop computer. Flat panel display LCD, which is usually used with the portable computer, but now have become very popular with the desktop computer too. Okay, next heading is types of monitor on the basis of color. In terms of color capability, all the monitors fall into three classes: monochrome, grayscale, and color. First one is monochrome. A monochrome monitor is a type of the CRT computer monitor which were very common in the early days of the computing from the 1960s. So become popular. Monochrome monitor actually display two colors, one for the background and one for the foreground. The color can be black and white, green and black. Grayscale monitor. Grayscale is a group of shades without any visible color. On a monitor, each pixel of the grayscale display carries an amount of the light, ranging from the weakest amount of the light or white. Grayscale only contain brightness information, not color. A grayscale monitor is a special type of monochrome monitor capable of the display different shades of the gray. Third one is color monitor. A display monitor capable of the displaying many colors in constructs, and a monochrome monitor can be display only two colors, one for the background and one for the foreground colors. Monitor implement the RGB colors. RGB abbreviation of red, green, blue. Color monitor can display anywhere from the 16 to over 1 million different colors. Monitors are sometimes called RGB monitor because they accept three separate signals: red, green, and blue. The screen size are measured in the diagonal inches. The distance from one corner of the opposite corner diagonally. There are following types: small, full page, portrait, landscape. A typical size for the small monitor is 14 inches. Monitors that are 16 or more inches diagonally are often called full page monitor. In addition to their size, monitor can be either portrait is greater than width. In landscape monitor, width is greater than highest. What are the factors determine the monitor quality? Resolution. The resolution of the monitor indicate how densely packed to the pixel are the general high resolution provide a sharper images. Bond width. Bond width is the range of the single frequency the monitor can handle. This determine how much data it can process and therefore the how fast it can refresh at the higher resolution refresh rate. How many times per second screen is refreshed to avoid flickering. The refresh rate should be out is 72 Hz. Dot pitch. Dot pitch is the amount of the space between each pixel. The smaller the picture, then sharpness the images. Conver- uh, Convergence. Convergence is the clarity and the sharpness of the each pixels. Okay, next heading is printer. What is printer? Printer is main device used for the preparing permanent documents to be used at the later time. It contain connected to the CPU by the cable and are plugging into the something called output port. Printer is also an output device and it is used to print data or information on a paper. The output of the printer is called hard copy. It is called hard copy because it is a permanent copy. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics from a computer and transfer the information to paper. Printer is an output device that transfer the information to paper called the hard copy. Okay, there are two types of printer: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer. Impact printer include all printer that work by the sticking and ink ribbon. Daisy wheel, dot matrix, and line printer are the impact printer. Impact printer are much noisier than the other printers. And first one is daisy wheel. Similar to the ball head typewriter, this type of the printer has plastic or material wheel on which the shape of the each character stand out in the leaf. A hammer presses the wheel against the ribbon, which is turned, make an ink stain in the shape of the character on the paper. Daisy wheel printer produce letter quality print but cannot print graphics. Second one is dot matrix. Create characters by the sticking pins against an ink ribbon. Each pin makes a dot and the combination of the dot form characters and the illustrations. Third is line printer. Contain a chain of the characters or pins that print an entire line at one time. Line printers are very fast but produce low quality print. Drum printer and chain printer are the subdivision of the line printer. Non-impact printers. Non-impact printers include laser printer, inkjet printer, etc. First one is inkjet printer. Spraying ink on the sheet of the paper, inkjet printer produce high quality text and graphics. Laser printer uses the same technology and the photocopier machine. Laser printer produce very high quality text and graphics. Third is LCD and LED. Similar to the laser printer, but uses liquid crystal or light emitting diode rather than a laser to produce an images on them drum. Next is thermal printer, an expensive printer that works by pushing heat pins against heat sensitive paper. Thermal printers are widely used in the calculator and fax machine. Printers are also classified by the following factors: quality of print. The output produced by the printer is said to the either letter quality as good as typewriter, near letter quality, or the draft quality. Only daisy wheel, inkjet, and laser printer produce letter quality types. Some dot matrix printers claim letter quality print, but if you look closely, you can see the difference. Speed measuring in the character per second CPS or images per minute ppm. The speed of printer varies widely if you do much printing. The speed of the printer become important. Digital printer tend to be the slowest printing about the 30 CPs. Line printers are fastest up to 3000 lines per minute. Dot matrix printer can be print up to 500 CPS, and the laser printer range from the about 4 to 20 text pages per minute. Generally, more expensive printers are much faster. Graphics. Some printer, Daisyville and the line printer can be print only text. Other printers can print both text and graphics. Fonts. Some printers, notably dot matrix printers, are limited at the one or few more fonts. In construct, laser and the inkjet printers are the capable of the printing and the almost unlimited variety of fonts. Color. Color is important for the user who need to print pages for the presentation or maps and other pages where color is part of the information. Color printer can also be set to print only in the black and white. Color printers are more expensive to operate since they use two ink cartridge, one color and one black ink that need to be replaced after the certain number of the pages. User who don't have a specific need for the color and who print a lot of pages will be fine black and white printer cheaper to operate. Resolution. Printer resolution, the sharpness of the text and images on the paper. It is usually measured in dot per inch dpi. Most expensive printer provides sufficient resolution for the most purpose at the 600 dpi. Okay. Next heading is plotter. Plotter is a special kind of output device that print graphics on a paper, which include drawing, graphics, making map, plotting engineering, drawings and machine components. Plotter differ from the printer in that they draw the line using a pen. As a result, they can produce continuous lines, whereas print can be only simulated line by the printing and the closing space series of the dot. Multicolor plotter use different colors pen to draw different colors. And generally, plotter are the considerably more expensive than printer. They are used in engineering applications where presence in the mandatory. Plotter can be of the two types. There are following types of plotters. One is pen plotter and electrostatic plotter. Pen plotter, a graphic printer that draw the images with ink pen. Plotter actually draw the point-to-point lines directly from the vector graphic files. Electrostatic plotter produce faster images by charging the paper with high voltage. This voltage attracts. Pen plotter are further divided into two types. Number one is drum plotter. Drum plotter, the pen is moved in the single axis track and the paper itself move on the cylindrical drum to add the other axis of the dimension. The size of the graph is therefore limited only by the width of the drum and the stem before the any length. Flatbed plotter. Flatbed plotter is a plotter which is the paper in fixed on the flat surface and the pens are the move and draw the images. This plotter can be used several different color pens to draw with. The size of the plot is limited only by the size of the plotter bed. Next heading is dual purpose devices. First one is disk drive. Disk drive is a peripheral device that read or write the disk, hard disk, floppy disk, etc. that that store information. Disk drive are called storage devices because they store information on portable or permanent disk. The drive contains a motor to rotate the disk at a content rate and one or more read-write heat which are positioned over the disk tray. When the disk drive is used to read some data from the disk, it will fall in the category of the input devices, while during writing data onto the disk, it will be considered as an output device. In order for the disk drive to start to read or write at the given location and the read and write it must be positioned radial over the right track on the rotationally over the start of the right sector. Rotational motion is known as the shaking and it is this which catches most of the noise heat during this activity. There is usually one heat for the each disk surface and the all heat move together. The set of locations which are accessible with the heat in the given radial position in the known as cylinder. The seek time is time taken to seek and different cylinders. The disk is content rotationally and the read write heat move forward and the backward until the desired location for the found. Second one is CD writer. A CD writer is a device connected to your computer which can write on the CD RW and the CD R disks. The CD's RW disk may be written, erased, and the rewritten, while the CD disk may be written only on CD writer. Perform is measured in X unit, where 1x equals to 150 kilometer second. This allows user to master a CD-ROM, abbreviation of compact disk read-only memory, or audio CD compact disk for the publishing. CD-R drive can be also read CD-ROM, compact disk read-only memory, and the play audio CDs. The CD writer is also called a CDR drive, short for the compact disc recordable drive. Okay, what is the different concept of soft copy and the hard copy? The screen output is known as a soft copy because it is untangible and temporary. Unlike hard copy produced by a printer on a paper, which is tangible and can be permanent. The dictionary definition of the hard copy. A hard copy of the document is a printer version of it rather than a version that's stored or on a computer or display on the screen. A readable, machinable form of the corresponding hard copy. What is the difference between hard copy and soft copy? Hard copy, a computer output display on monitor is called soft copy. The computer output taken out on a paper is called hard copy. Soft copy. Soft copy is untangible and temporary. Hard copy is untangible and permanent. Device used for getting soft copy is monitor. Devices used for the getting hard copy are printer and plotter. Differentiation between the soft copy and hard copy. Number one is a computer output display on a monitor is called soft copy. A computer output taken on a paper is called hard copy. Soft copy is intangible and temporary. Hard copy is intangible and permanent. Device used for the getting soft copy is the monitor. Device used for the getting hard copy are the printer and plotter. Now we share the printer. What is printer? Printer is main device used for the preparing for a permanent document to be used at the later time. We connected to the CPU by the cable and are plugging into the something called the output port. Printer is also an output device and it is used to print data or information on paper. The output of the printer is called hard copy. It is called hard copy because it is a permanent copy. Printer is a device that accepts text and graphics from the computer and transfer the information to paper. Printer is an output device that transfers the information to paper called hard copy. What is the difference between impact and non-impact printer? They print by sticking the ribbon against the paper. That is called impact printer. The printer the print the paper using magnetic, electrostatic, thermal, optical inkjet. That is called non-impact printer. They may produce carbon copies. It is called impact printer. Non-impact printer they cannot produce carbon copies. Impact printer they produce much and are called noisy printer. And the non-impact printer they are noiseless techniques and are the called quiet printers. Plotter is an special kind of the output device that print graphics on a paper, which include drawing, graphics, making, map, plotting, engineering, drawing, and the machine components. There are three types of plotters. There are following types of plotters: pen plotters, electrostatic plotters. Pen plotter is divided by the further divided into two types. First one is drum plotter and flatbed plotters. And we have shared the two purpose devices. And first one is disk drive and second one is CD writer, CD abbreviation of compact disk. Okay, now we have shared the concept of soft copy and hard copy. What is differentiate between the soft copy and hard copy? A computer output display on the monitor is called soft copy. A computer output taken on a paper is called hard copy. Soft copy is intangible and the temporary. Hard copy is intangible and permanent. Device used for the getting soft copy is monitor. Devices used for the getting hard copy are the printer and plotters. Okay, we have shared the home task. You have see the some short question and descriptive question. Short question number one. Define output devices. Write its types and name any five. Define output devices. Write its types, name any five. Question number two. Differentiate between impact printer and non-impact printer. Differentiate between impact printer and non-impact printer. Question number three. Differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Question number three. Differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Descriptive question answer. Define monitor. Describe its types. Define monitor and describe its types. Question number two. What are the plotter? Describe different types of plotter. What are plotter? Describe different types of plotters. And question number three. Briefly explain dual purpose devices. Question number three. Briefly explain dual purpose devices. For example, disk drive and CD writer. CD abbreviation or compact disk. Uh, First one is disk drive and second is CD writer. CD writer abbreviation of compact disk. Okay, student. Allah Hafiz.